Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mehndi Love. Subscribe my channel and watch till the end to have an amazing Mehndi design for your next party. So here I have made a dot and surrounding it I have made a small circle and one more concentric circle, and I'm going to continue this curve designs. If you are not confident enough, you can make a rough or a lighter circle around and then draw this curve so that it won't be going outside and would have a perfect circle look. Then again I'm joining all the curves and making a circle and another circle outside. If you are just interested with learning mehndi designing, then check out my other videos. I have more basic classes for the very beginners, starting from how to hold a mehndi cone to the basic grids, designs, shapes, etc. to Arabic and Indian designs, party designs, engagement designs. And for your best, there is variety mehndi designs like how to draw Krishna, other gods, then face portraiting, etc. And you want more designs, then check out my Instagram page. It is also called Mehndi Love. And also follow me in TikTok, Twitter, Telegram, etc. This type of design is called a mandala design, and it can be used in any kind of parties or engagement or any marriage functions. And if you find it difficult to draw these components as you're a beginner or something, then there is a way. In my previous videos I have shown how to draw these individual components, how to make it correct, etc. So you can check that out, and the link is below my video. Now we have almost finished the inner part of a mandala design. This is the most basic part and the most beautiful part, and now we have to draw the outer part after completing this darkening of the inner circles. I'm gonna use petal shape or dome shape to draw the outer part, and for drawing that, if you are a beginner, then make two points and just join together to make this dome. Now our mandala design is over, but we have to make something for our fingers too. But since this is a heavy mandala design, and if you have to make this design look beautiful or magnificent, then the finger design should also be simple, not heavy like this. Then only the center one will look more attractive. So I'm going to use a smaller design in the fingers. This is how the design goes, and I hope you understand how to make it, and I think this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know the comments in the comment box below, and please like my video and share it to maximum. Thank you for supporting me.